tutorial for number 4 in the central angles and arcs practice worksheet. The reason I wanted to go over this one specifically is because they give us very important information that we should know about circles. So they're telling us that segment YV and segment UX are the diameters of circle T. So remember, that's the vocabulary we learned last week when we were talking about circles. And if you cannot put those two together, then figuring out the answer for this problem might be a little more difficult. So that's why it's very important that we know what the diameter does to the circle so that we can find the measures, okay? So they gave me 2 diameters, actually. They told me YV, so from here to here, that's a diameter. Remember, the definition for a diameter is a chord that goes through the center, so center T right there. So there's one diameter. And then the other diameter is UX, so from here to here. So in order for it to be a diameter, it has to go through the center of the circle. And the diameter does split the circle in half. So knowing that, I can answer these questions. So first, they're asking me for arc YX. So arc YX, right here, the measure, M means measure. The measure of arc YX is going to be this one right here. So I want to know what is the measure of that arc, okay? And in this problem, they gave me 2 of the arcs that are in this half circle right here. So they gave me 55, they gave me 76, and I want to find this missing piece. So knowing that this is the diameter, I know that half of this circle, a semicircle, is 180 degrees. So I can figure out this entire section of angles by adding these 2, 55 plus 76. That gives me 131. And subtracting it not from 360, but from 180, because that's half a circle, which gives us 49. So this arc is 49 degrees. Okay. Now the next arc they want to know is arc XUW. So XUW starts at X. So here, it starts at X and it goes this way towards U, and it ends at W. So I want to know the measure of the arc from here to here. That includes all the angles of the circle that go from there and end at W. So I know that this is 49. I know this is 55, 49, 55. And what is the measure from here to here? Because I already have these sections. If this is a diameter, then this whole thing is 180 degrees. So we have to add all of that together. So 180 plus 49 plus 55. That should give us the arc from X all the way to W. And that is going to be 284. So 284 degrees. And this is a major arc. How do you know that it's a major arc? Major arcs are greater than 180. And another trick that I told my students is that if you're using 3 letters, then it's a major arc or a semicircle. But for this instance, it's a major arc. See how this one was 2 letters? That's not a major arc. That's a minor arc up here. I know it didn't ask us to classify it, but I'm still going to do it just so you can see. Okay, and then the last one is arc YUV. So Y is right here. Sorry, it's a little... Let me erase that. There's Y. YUV. Where's V? I think I wrote over it there. So from Y to V, what is this arc? We already have it. It's 180 degrees. And 180 degrees is exactly 180. So that is a semicircle. Semicircle. Half a circle. Okay. I hope this helped you. Make sure that you finish all of these and that right here, you're giving me the measurement first, the degrees, and then you're telling me, is it a minor arc, a semicircle, or a major arc, okay? And it is due today, so it is a grade. Make sure that you're practicing and helping each other. If you need help, please ask me or anyone that can help you or come see me. All right, have a good day.